So guys, let's wait for more people to join before we can start. So let's wait for more people to join while I set up this. I think it's on already. So let's wait for more people to join. And what I'm seeing on gold right now is we're going to be buying gold. It's about to take out this level, but let's just wait for more people to join. Let's wait for more people to join. We're going to be buying gold. So waiting for the setup to complete. Guys, if you have any question, you can drop. I think it will make sense if all of us can start asking me. Good afternoon. At least let me treat everybody questions. So if you have any question to ask, just drop it. So maybe you might start with it. So can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, just comment yes. If you can hear me, just say yes. Comment yes, please, if you can hear me. If you can hear me, just comment yes, please. Can you guys hear me, please? Okay, okay, that's good. Thank you. So let's start. So you guys can see that on this 4 hours time frame, gold is in downtrend. Let me explain to you guys. You can see that gold did change of character here yesterday, but before then, gold started doing. You can see that started doing higher high. Before then, started doing higher high and lower. Sorry, what am I doing? Before then, started doing this normal higher high, lower high, and as lower low and lower high, then kind of this is 4 hours time frame. This is another higher low and another lower high and another higher low. Then take it out. So you can see that already started forming patterns for downtrend, which later did complete change of character here. And now it started retracing back to reject somewhere here. So total on gold now, as we are on downtrend, but I'm going to take this buy. So I'm expecting gold to get to maybe 50% of this retracement before you start dropping, which is the 50% will be somewhere here. 50% of that drop will be here, will be somewhere here. So I'm expecting gold to get to here before this downtrend will continue. So on this 15 minutes time frame now, I want to take this buy. It already broke, just broke the level now. Then you need to close and retest. Immediately close and retest. I'm taking buy here, and my stop loss will be here, and TP will be here. I pray for this thing to retest because the way is moving. But let's see what will happen. If you close in 9 minutes time, so in 9 minutes time, if you come back and retest, I'm taking buy here, and this is my TP and this is my stop loss. You can see that there is different zones here. You can see that gold kind of reacts when it get to this level and it get to this level again and reacts again and still come back here because all this they are the same zone. They are the same zone. So it came back here, reacted and reacted. So that's why I'm taking this. You can see there is a trade touches here. So as you taking out this level now, if you retest it, I'm buying it from here. So this is why I'm buying this gold. So and this is the 50%, which I'm talking about. I believe that it will retrace back. It might reject from here and start dropping. So before it will get to this 50%, we'll be out of this market because I'm targeting 1 to 2. If the 1 to 2 level is here. Okay, yesterday sell. You can see that what I explained on this 4 hours time frame. You can see that gold is already forming the series of signs of downtrend. You can see that this is the high and this is the low and this is the higher low, and which it came here and formed lower high, then later take out this lower low. You can see that it's kind of forming the series of downtrend. It's showing that it's going down. Then on 15 minutes time frame where I took my trade yesterday, if I wanted to sell gold, this is what I would have done. But I purposely don't want to sell gold that easy because I really want to be sure that the downtrend is really going down. Okay, sorry guys, season break. So I will see where yesterday started. So this is yesterday. So if you were to sell gold yesterday, you can see that this is high and this is another high. This is double top. And apart from this one, look at what happened here. You can see that gold had been respecting this This is a zone here. It has been respecting it. Touch and drop, and touch it again and drop. Then this one take it out, but it didn't take out this particular high. And you can see again that is a kind of break and retest structure. You can see that good. Come down and take out this low somewhere here, then go up and take out this low here, then coming back to retest it. That's what just happened. So for you to sell this gold yesterday, your entry should have been here. This level, this is where your entry should be. Short, your entry would have been here, and your stopper will be somewhere here. So when gold came back to take out this, so when gold came down to take out, 1 minute guys. So when it came down to take out this low and retest, it should enter here and it targets your 1 to 2. That's what I always target. So here would have been my entry yesterday if I'm to say good. Here would have been my entry yesterday if I'm to say good. And my stop will be somewhere here and I will target 1 to 2. So here, because you can see this level, and you can see it came back here and retest it and move up. This is, you can call this higher as in double top, or you can still call it W pattern. It's a pure W pattern as well. You can see that it's a W pattern. You can see that it's a W pattern, then came back to take out the neck and retest. You sell your stop loss somewhere here, target your 1 to 2. So that's what I would have done if I were to trade gold yesterday. I hope I answer your question. So please, if you really understand what I just explained, just comment yes. Or if you don't understand, also let me know so I might explain it more. So do you understand me? I should start the analysis again. Okay. This is the analysis here. So let's start from 4 hours time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame here. This is why I'm taking buy right now. You can see that this is overall drop for this sell. This is 50% of this overall drop, which is here. And now gold have taken out this low, which gold this change of character here. Let me zoom this in so you guys can see it more. So there is every possibility it will retrace back to this 50% before it will continue this drop. There is every possibility it will happen. You know, forex is a probability stuff. I'm not 100% sure it will have, but I'm pretty sure that it will go back as somewhere here before it will continue that drop. So this is then why I'm thinking of buying gold from this zone. But overall trend for gold in 4 hours now is downtrend. Then on this 15 minutes time frame, this is the reason why I'm choosing this zone as my entry. You can see that gold break this structure here and retest and drop. There is a reason why it retested this zone and drop. Came back again and reject from it. Came back again and reject from this is a 3 touch. Then this particular one now is taking it out. So this is why I'm choosing this zone as my entry. So if this particular candle close in 2 minutes time and retest this zone, I'm buying it and my stop will be here and my TP will be here. And believe that gold will get to this 50% retracement of Fibonacci. I believe that it will get to it before it will drop, before it will start dropping back. So that's why I'm targeting 1 to 2. And there's a possibility that we get to this level before it will start dropping. So I don't know if the analysis is clear for you. So do you understand the analysis? Jonas, do you understand the analysis you had as you talked about? You said I should read you. Okay, so we have a few minutes, as 1 minute, 33 seconds for the candle to close. So if you close and retest now, I'm taking buy. Sorry guys, let me bring my platform out on the other of my system so I can take the buy. 1 minute guys, I'm coming. So we have a few minutes to go for the buy. We have a few minutes to go for the buy. So our stop loss is 64 pips, and we are targeting 128 pips. So in 30 seconds, it will close in 30 seconds. So let's take a buy in 30 seconds when it closes and retest, guys. As in 13 seconds, 12 seconds. So it has closed. So now let's wait for retracement. Or if you want to buy, you can buy right now, but your stop loss will be more bigger. Or if you want to wait for retracement, you can wait for the retracement. Because the difference is not much. From here to here, okay, it's like 15 pips. It's not how much. But if you want to wait for the retracement right now, you can wait for the retracement. Or if you want to buy right now, you can also buy right now. So let's see what is going to happen. So, okay, let me call out this trade on my Telegram channel right now. Let me call it out. Buy good now at 2014.04. So I'm waiting for the retracement before I can take this trade. I'm waiting for the retracement, or I might enter with some portion of my account, and when it retrace back, I will take the last one. So I'm entering with some portion of my account right now. Then when the retracements happen, I will still enter it again. So I just was good now. And I'll buy it again when it retraces back. The reason why I'm taking this gold now, because it might not retrace, nobody can tell. If I wait for gold to come back to this zone, it might not, or it might come back for continue, it might continue going up, that coming back. So that's why I take the trade now, but I didn't use the full lot I'm supposed to use. So I'm reserving the other lot size. When it retraces back to this zone, then I will buy it again with the rest of the lot size, guys. So let's see how this trade is going to play out. So if you have any question, please kindly ask. If you have any question, kindly ask. And you guys can see that there is W pattern here. So it's very simple. If you guys want to trade this way, you can be looking out for W patterns and MO pattern. You can see there is W pattern here, came back to this one and This is the neckline. I saw here, but I don't really want to take the trade from this neckline because it might reject from this. So that's why I was waiting for it to take out this particular high before I can take the trade, because I know that this W pattern neckline might fail. It might break here and reject from here. But thank God that it finally took out this particular high. So let's see how it play out. So if you look here, you can see that it's W pattern here as well. So it's a very simple entry with the W pattern. Okay, you say you just bought a profile account. Okay, that's good. So what's up with the profile account you bought? Jonas, what's up with the profile account? Jonas, I'm waiting for your response. What's wrong with the profile account? So, answer, I want to pass the challenge. Yeah, you have to trade now, and when you are trading, please do your money management. You know it's a profile account, and if you draw it down, they will take the account from you. So you have to trade to pass the account. No, I don't trade for people to pass their challenge. Maybe if that's what you are looking for, I don't trade for people to pass their challenge. No, I only post my signal. Then maybe you can trade with the signal if you're comfortable with it. But I don't trade for people to pass their challenge. I don't do that. I don't trade for people to pass their challenge. I only post my signal. Then people use it and buy and sorry guys, people use it and buy and sell. So I don't trade for people. No, I don't trade for people. So I think that is it, guys. Let's stop here. I think I've explained the reason why I'm taking this trade here. Or if anybody have any question, you can still ask. So let's see how this trade will play out, guys. Let's see how the trade will play out. Okay, are you not in my Telegram group? Okay, let me send you the link. Uh, this is link. You can join the Telegram group. Do you see the link? Click on the link and join the Telegram group. Click on the link and join the Telegram group. So I'm already into this. I'm already buying this gold already. So with some portion of my account, I will enter the rest when it came back to retest that zone. So do anybody have any other question to ask? Yeah, thanks. Jonas, thanks. I think he's about to retrace back, but has not gotten to the level. Has not gotten to the level. So I'm already in. I'm already in. So let's see how this trade will play out. So I think let's stop here, guys. Then we see next week Thursday again. So you guys can have time and focus on the trade and monitor the trade. So I'm ending the live now, guys. So see you guys next week Thursday. The lot size you should use. What size of account do you have? The pro forma account you bought. What is the size of the account? You will trade according to the size of your account. 5K account. Now is a pro forma account. Then you can only risk. Let me say, okay, it's a pro forma account. Risk 1% of the account. Don't risk more than 1%. Yeah, I'm saying it. What as in 5K? Risk only 1% of the account. With the 1% of the 5K, I think is $50. 1 minute is $50, yeah. 1% of 5K is $50. Come in, guys. 50K, sorry, 5K times 1%. Yeah, 1% is $50. So you can risk only $50 in each trade you are entering. So now you need to, I believe that you know how to calculate your lot size. Then if you calculate your lot size you are using, we must definitely arrive to the amount that if you lost it, you lose only $50. So if you know how to calculate your lot size, calculate it, know the particular lot size you are going to use. That if you use that lot size and enter market, and if you lost a trade, you will only lose $50. So just calculate it that way. That's how you can get your lot size. Let me repeat myself again. If you know how to calculate lot size, just calculate your lot size with your stop loss you are using to enter that trade. Okay, for instance, now, let me use this trade I call it as an example. Let me use the trade as an example. You can see that this trade is 64 pips stop loss. So 54 pips stop loss. Now, if I want to enter this trade, the lot size I'm going to use now will be, let me calculate it. Now, if I'm using 0. If I'm using 0. Let me say 80 cents, what as in 0.8, which is 1 pip, is equal to 80 cents times 40, 0.8 times 54, which gives me $51. So for me to take this trade, what I will use is 0.8 lot size. Sorry, 0.08. Sorry, don't get me wrong. 0.08 lot, which is 1 pip, 80 cents. That's what I will use. 0.08, which is equals to 1 pip, 80 cents. If you times 80 cents times 64, it will give you $51, which is almost $50, which is kind of $1 different from the $50 you want to use. It's okay. There's nothing wrong with it that way. So if you have $5,000 account and you want to risk 1%, which is right, is proper for you to risk 1% when you are trading a profit account. So if you want to risk the 1% and you have 5K account, the lot size you should use for this trade is 0.01, which is 1 pip is equal to 80 cents. That's lot size you should use. That's lot size you should use, guys. So if by mistake, if you lost a trade, you only lose $50, which is 1% of your account. So do you have another question to ask? If you have another question, drop it. The way I'm saying this trade, you refuse to retrace back, but I'm in already with some portion of my account. So let's see how it will play out. You refuse to retrace back. And I think they have news by 2:30 unemployment claim. So I don't know what the news might do. So let's stop here, I think. Or if anybody have any other question, if there is if there is no other question, let's just stop here so you guys can focus and watch the trade and manage your trade, guys. So I'm ending the live now. Thanks, guys, and God bless.